Did I get makeup on it? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of my favorite brown lip liners. If you know me, you know I love a nude lip, but a nude lip is not complete, well, in my opinion, without a brown liner. So these are all going to be from the drugstore. They're all going to be affordable. So hopefully you can find one in this video that works for you. If you're wondering about my makeup details, I just did a best of 2019 drugstore edition video. I will have it linked up here so you guys can watch it. And also make sure to subscribe if you're into like drugstore and affordable makeup. That is my thing. Everything on my face is drugstore affordable. So yeah, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and jump right in. Y'all, it is going to be a mission to keep this sweater clean. I actually just got it from Target. It was on clearance, and these pants. And the sweater was $11 as well. I don't know why they were on clearance, but girl, I ain't complaining. So first I'm going to share with you guys the combo that I have on my lips right now. I get so many questions about this lip combo every time I wear it, and it's so affordable. So I'm going to start with my favorite lip liner from the drugstore of all times. I have repurchased this so many times. I have these little baby ones in the same color that I can't let go of because there's still more product in here, but I start using like, you know, the big one. But anyways, this is NYX brown lip liner. This is not the suede, the matte. No, this is their regular ass lip liner in brown. And you can't really find this everywhere. I think when I bought this one, it was at Target, but they had just like remodeled the NYX section because they didn't have it before. I want to also say you can find this at Ulta, but I think those are the only two places. But this lip liner, you guys, is so good, and it's like $3 or $4. Like, what? It's the lip liner that I have on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you right here. So this is my favorite. Oh, look at that. Chocolatey, not too purpley or too dark or too light. Perfect for my skin tone. If you are darker, you can wear this as well, especially to line and define your lips. I just like having a really dark kind of lip line, but like not too dark. So if you're my color or a little bit lighter, a little bit darker, this could work for you. This is just such a pretty color. I love the formula of these NYX ones. They're super creamy, as you can see. Like, there's no skipping or anything. They don't bleed on me or run, and I can get away with like lining my lips one time when I'm doing my makeup, and then all I'll have to touch up is the lipstick. So like I said, I was going to go ahead and mention to you guys the lip combo that I'm wearing. I did mention these in my drugstore faves, but I'll go ahead and, you know, I'll let you guys in. So these are the Morphe Matte, Mega Matte, because they are lipsticks. I think the packaging is just so sleek. I have two colors on. The first one is Commit. This is the one that I have kind of like on the outside of my lips, and this is just kind of like a gorgeous like brown toned peach tone nude. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. And then in the center I have the shade First Base, which is even more perfect. This is the one that I normally touch up. Normally I don't have to touch this one up because I just put it like right in the center and just go like that. But this is just, I had some lipstick on it, so let me swatch it again. This is just the most perfect like peachy nude, neutral nude color. Almost like a concealer nude, but not too light. They are super matte though, so your lips are gonna look like this, but I love when my lips look super matte, but they're not drying because they are a cream lipstick. Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys like my tie for my favorite brown lip liner, but technically this one's not drugstore. I don't know if you can get these lip liners at Ulta, I'm not sure, but this is Colourpop BFF 3. I'm gonna put it right here on like the outside, that way we know, like, you know, this one is Colourpop, but they're super similar. I believe this is the closest one that I have to NYX brown in my collection, and I guess that's why I love it so much. It's just super creamy, pigmented, it lasts all day. Oh my gosh, These lip liners are so good. And again, I don't know if you can get these at Ulta, but they're like, how much are these? Like $4 or $5, something like that. But yeah, I believe Colourpop has this lip pencil in their collection, and Makeup Shayla just added it to her collection. And then she created BFF4, which I also love, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch so you can kind of see the difference. I love this one as well, but I don't use it as much as these two, just because they're a little bit more dark. But this is a favorite lip liner to use on clients as well, especially when they are deeper than me. So yeah, that is BFF4, 3, and then NYX Brown. You know what? I need to sharpen these because this is embarrassing. So next I have NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this one is in Cold Brew. If you've been on my channel, you've seen me use this plenty of times. I love this one as well. I feel like the difference is, ooh, let me do that a little bit better for y'all, hold on. I feel like the difference between these is this one has more of a red, purpley kind of undertone, but it is still a warm chocolate brown, and it is a little bit deeper. This one actually seems really close to BFF4. So maybe if you've been wanting to try BFF4, try this Cold Brew because it's very similar. Like the undertones are almost it's so weird, because these are only around like $4 or $5, maybe even $3 something. I can't really remember. I think it depends on where you go, but yeah, so amazing. I love the matte formula as well. It's just a little bit less creamy, but it's still creamy, you know. It's just a little bit more matte than the regular formula. So next I have NYX Coco. This is again one of their regular lip pencils. It's not the matte or suede ones, and this one is a little bit lighter than the last one. It has more of a red clay kind of undertone, but it's still really warm and brown, and I feel like that's my favorite thing when it comes to brown lip liners, because a lot of times they can be a little bit too gray. I like the gray undertone sometimes, which I do have a couple that I am going to mention that are a little bit more purple, so that way you can kind of see them in comparison. I just like them for different things, but my like perfect nude lip has like a chocolatey brown lip liner just like these. So next I have NYX Toast. This one is a little bit more of a cooler toned, true soft brown, but it's still, you know, that deep brown kind of. It's also a little bit similar to BFF3 if I'm looking at it. So this one right here is Toast, and that one is BFF3. So some of you may be like, oh my god, these are all the same, but they're really not. So I have two NYX liners. These are both one of their suede matte liners. They're brown, but they're more on the purplier, cooler toned side. So this one is Los Angeles. I'm gonna kind of put it a little bit over here. So this one is a brown, but it's more of a pinky brown, and it has a little bit of a purpley, cooler undertone. So I like these when I'm wearing like a pink, more of a pinker lip in the middle. It just looks a lot better, but it still gives you that like dark outline. And again, like this one is the suede matte, so it is a really creamy, like long lasting type of formula. The next one I have is Maison, I don't know how to say it. It's M-A-I-S-O-N. I've never known how to say this, but I'm going to swatch this right next to Los Angeles. So this one is a little bit darker. It's still a brown, but it is a purpley, cool toned brown, almost kind of like a grayish brown. So if you can see the difference right there, these are completely different than these. These right here I would say are all like true browns. These ones are more on the gray brown, purpley brown side. All right, so I have two more NYX lip pencils. These are I feel like these would be more of a nude on me, but on some people they could show up as a brown. So I did want to go ahead and mention them. That way you can kind of see them in comparison with these. So the darker one that I have, which it's still like a nude on me, almost too light, pretty much this is probably the same color as my lips. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Sandstorm. It's pretty much like the same color as the first lipstick that I applied, so this wouldn't work as a brown on me, but if you are of a lighter skin color, this would probably be a brown on you. So the last lip liner that I have that is in the same kind of realm as the last one, this one is in the shade London. I love London Soft Matte Lip Cream, so I picked up the pencil. The pencil is just too light to be a brown for me, but if I'm just doing a regular nude lip, or if I want an all over lip color, I will use this. But look at it, it's just gorgeous. Like, it is an orangey, warm lip liner color, kind of like that Your Lips Are Better kind of color. At least for me, because I'm not into pink lips. So yeah, this again is NYX London. So yeah, those are all my favorite brown lip liners. If you guys want a like favorite brown nude like lip combo drugstore edition, let me know down below. I can definitely do that for you guys. And again, I will have all of these listed down below in the order that I talked about them in. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video really soon. Bye guys.